Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Indian biscuits naan katai. These are very simple to prepare and these will be very crunchy and you can enjoy it with hot cup of tea. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare naan khatai. We need 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup icing sugar or powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon rava or semolina, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 to 3 tablespoon milk, half cup of clarified butter or ghee and half cup besan or chickpea flour. Now let's start the preparation. In a mixing bowl, we have to sieve our all dry ingredients. Take maida, besan, 1 cup of icing sugar. If you have granulated sugar, then make it into a powder and use 3/4 cup of powdered granulated sugar. If you are using icing sugar, then you can use 1 cup of icing sugar. Add baking powder, 1 tablespoon semolina or rava. If you are using fine sieve, then add semolina later. Now we have to mix everything well and pass this through sieve. If you want, you can add pinch of salt in the preparation of naan khatai. Here I am not adding salt. Add cardamom powder. Now we have to mix everything well before adding clarified butter. Mixing is done. Now it's time to add half cup of clarified butter or ghee. Now we have to mix everything well and make it into a soft dough. We have to combine everything well. If it needs milk, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't add too much of milk at a time. Add 1 tablespoon and combine everything well. Here I have added around 3 tablespoons of milk and our cookie dough is ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until we make naan khatai. Take a small portion of naan khatai dough and press it little bit and make it into a small round ball. With 4 fingers, make a small impression on naan khatai and keep it on baking tray. You can use parchment paper or just you can keep it on baking tray. We have to make all naan khatai same way. Our naan khatai are ready to bake. We can bake these in oven and some of them we can bake on stove heat. If you want, you can add some dry fruits on the top of naan katai. Here I am adding pistachio. You can add any dry fruits of your choice like pistachio, almonds, cashews. This is completely optional. In the shown measurement, we can get 20 to 25 naan katai of this small size. Now this tray is ready to go in preheated oven. Bake these naan katai at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can see how to bake cookies on stove top. Here I have kept one empty utensil. It is hot now. We have to place our cookie tray or naan katai tray, close the lid and keep stove heat to medium to low and bake these for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Our oven baked naan katai are ready. It has taken around 18 minutes. Our naan katai are ready. You can see. Allow these to cool completely on tray or on cooling rack. Our stove top baked naan katai are also ready. These have taken longer time, like 30 minutes. These are also crunchy. If you see cracks on the top of naan katai, these are really good. You can see these are very crunchy too. Oven baked naan katai and stove top baked naan katai. You can see these are also good. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.